Yeah, good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Some of you completed homeworks and some of you not completed, am I right? If you complete, then it is better, good for you. Otherwise, you know. Are you clear? So, and one more time I am telling you, by next Monday, everybody you must complete your CWs. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to this, exercise 6.3 now.
Yes, sir.
So fourth one. In the figure 6.42, wow, that diagram is given.
Yes, sir. Next page.
Yeah, PQ and RS intersect at a point T such that there is a two line segments are intersecting at one point. What are the two line segments? This is PQ, children.
RS.
Yeah, PQ and
RS.
however it is, no problem, you can draw. RS are intersecting at point T. And he has joined PR and QS also. What is given? This is given as 95 and this is given as 40 and this is given as 75. Any other conditions are given here?
No, sir.
Yeah, only intersecting. There is no any other condition, that means parallel or something like that. If parallel means we can find out what is transversal, alternate, intertriangular, but nothing information is given, only intersecting. And then what you have to find? Angle SQT. So, given, first I am writing here given information, given that angle PRT equals to 40. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Angle RPT is equals to
95.
95. RPT. And angle TSQ is equals to 75. And then you ask to find angle SQT. SQT only, na?
Yes.
Question mark. Where is SQT here in that? SQT. This angle, I hope it is very easy.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? This is 95 and this is 40. Can we able to find this angle or not?
Yes, sir.
So that one you can find it. What is the need of finding this angle? What is the use of finding this angle?
Sir, vertically opposite angle.
No, yes, if you find this angle, obviously we will get this one. By applying vertical opposite angles are equal. So first find that one. In triangle, what is the triangle name? PRT. In triangle PRT, angle RPT plus angle PRT plus angle RTP. Actually, don't use three letters, waste of time. Only single letters you can use, it is good. Angle RPT plus PRT plus RTP equal to how much?
180 degrees.
180. How it is 180?
Angle some property of
Angle some property you can write. This angle is given now. How much?
95.
RPT 95. Very good. Plus 40 plus angle RTP equals to 180. Angle RTP equals to 180 minus 135. I send directly. 180 minus 135 how much?
45.
Absolutely 45. So angle RTP is equals to angle RTP is equals to QTS na?
Yes, sir.
Because this angle and this angle are
Vertically
vertical opposite
opposite
angle.
angles.
Angle RTP is equal to angle QTS equals to 45. Since
Vertically opposite angles.
vertically opposite angles. Now after finding this, apply this triangle. What a triangle is that? In triangle QTS, I am writing directly angle Q plus angle T plus angle S equals to 180 or not?
Yes, sir.
Or do you know the measure of angle Q?
No,
Do you know?
sir.
That one we need to find. You have to find SQT only. That means angle Q. Now, do you know the value of angle T?
Yes, sir.
How much angle T?
45.
Yeah, 45
Plus
plus 75 equals to 180.
180.
Then angle Q equals how much? 180 minus 120. 70 or
60.
angle Q equals to
60 degrees.
60 degrees. Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Get in. Okay, now? So next fifth one, just here I am going to show just rougher. You have to do by your own. Okay. What is the given condition here? In the figure 6.43, PQ is parallel to SR. PQ. This is parallel to SR. Like that. This is PQ. Are you clear? Parallel to SR. And okay, somewhere here it is given. This is R. And one more thing he has given. PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ. PQ is perpendicular to PS. Yes. So if you join this PS, this is perpendicular to this. When this is perpendicular to this, obviously this is perpendicular to this or not?
Yes, sir.
And also this is perpendicular to this or not?
Yes,
Because
sir.
these two are parallel lines, na? So it may helpful for us. Keep it that point in your mind. This is perpendicular, and he has joined some QR here. This is R, okay? This is Q. And also you have joined SQ also, like this. Now this angle is 65 is given, and this angle is X, this angle is Y, and this angle is 28 is given. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And then he has to find X and Y. He has to find the values of
X
X and Y. How we will get the X and Y? Actually, X plus Y equals to 90. Because this is a triangle, PSQ. As it is a right angle, okay. But what is there any need or use of the condition? Alternate. Look at here. This is P na? Because as it is given parallel condition, somewhere it is helpful for us. So this is parallel. Are you clear?
Yes.
And this is the transversal or not?
Yes, sir.
So PQ is parallel to SR. Are you clear?
Yes. Yes.
And QR is the transversal, na?
Yes, sir.
QR is the transversal. When QR is a transversal, this angle equals to this angle or not?
Yes, sir.
Alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle X plus 28 equals to 65. Directly you can write it. Since alternate interior angles. Then we can find the value of X or not? Then X is equal to how much? 65 minus 28. X is equal to how much? 37. 37 only, na?
Yes, sir.
This is 37. Then obviously we will be able to find Y or not? 37 plus y plus 90 equals to 180. Or else any other condition. One thing. Yes, look at here. In extreme triangle also we can use. This is a triangle, na? See, in this triangle, this is extreme triangle, or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
When this is extreme triangle, this equal to this plus this, or not?
Yes, sir.
So obviously this is how much? 28 plus 37 only 65. So this is 37. Then this is how much? 37 plus y equals to 90. Because it is a perpendicular line. When this perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. Like that also you can do it. Or else triangle property apply, you can do it. Anyway you can do it, no problem. Will you able to do by your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So I am going to arrange this.
Yes, sir.
Now, last problem, see all of you. This is somewhat in the figure 6.44. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to the point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at a point P, then prove that angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. I will show the diagram now. See, triangle PQR is there, children. What is this?
Triangle
P Q R. Okay? In the triangle PQR, QR is produced. This QR side is produced like this. Up to somewhere it is S, you can take. Are you clear? Then one exterior angle is forming or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more thing also has drawn. What is that? The bisectors of PQR and PRS. PQR. This is the angle. For this, he has drawn one bisector like this. Am I Jayalakshmi, come and sit here. And the bisector of PRS. The bisector of PRS. This is the angle. For this bisector also he has drawn. Bisector means which divides into two equal parts or not? So he has drawn like this. These bisectors will intersect at T. This is the point T is given. Are you clear?
Yes.
That means how much angle is there here? This is also same thing. How much angle is here? This is also same thing. Because of as it is a bisector. And then he asked to prove RPP. What he asked to prove, ma? Angle QTR. Where is QTR? QTR. This angle is equals to half
QPR.
angle QPR. Where is QPR, ma? QPR. In this, it should be half. You asked to prove. How? So, everything is here. I am taking some names X, Y, something like that, because angle PQR half of means a little bit clumsy, you will get it. So that I am taking those values in terms of some other. Okay, if I am taking this is X, this is how much here?
Half of X.
Half of X means if it is X means this is how much? X only. I am taking this. This measure is X, not complete angle. This measure is X means from here to here how much? It is also X because it is a bisector. Are you clear? And if I am taking this is Y and this is how much? Y. Are you clear? And this one I am taking Z and this one I am taking W. Are you clear? Now what we need to prove? QTR. Where is QTR? QTR. That means W is equals to half of Z. We need to prove. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
As per our assumed values. After getting this statement you can write it directly, no problem. Then how? Only thing is here you can apply the property which we have learned yesterday, that is exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property?
The sum of
The exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its two opposite interior angles. Is it clear now? Now see, here I am solving. Just concentrate everybody. Look at here. First of all, in triangle PQR, this angle is equal to sum of this and this or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? So I am writing that one. In triangle PQR, Z plus X is equals to Y plus Y. Why? Since exterior angle property. Exterior angle
Property.
property. Okay. Are you clear? Z plus 2x only na
Yes.
is equals to 2y.
Y.
Leave like that. Let us take this is the first condition. And one more triangle is also there. See, QTR. This triangle QTR. This is the exterior angle or not?
Yes, sir.
This exterior angle means only y only na. This y equals to x plus w or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? So in triangle QTR, I am not writing the names directly here only as per the diagram. QTR. This is the triangle. If I am drawing second time, then not. So that this is side is extending, so this is the exterior angle is forming. This exterior angle is equals to sum of its two opposite interior angles, na? So x plus w or not?
Yes, sir.
So x plus w is equals to what is that?
Y.
Y. Are you clear?
Yes.
Are you clear or not? And then this x equals to how much? Y minus w or not?
Yes.
Are you clear? Now let us take this is 2. Again here also you can write exterior angle property. Exterior
Angle property.
angle property. Now x value here we got it now. This x value you can substitute in the equation 1. Substitute x value in equation 1. What is the equation 1 mark? Z plus 2 into x means y minus w na?
Yes.
Y minus w is equals to 2y. Are you clear? And now multiply karo. Z plus 2 into y, 2y minus 2 into w, 2w equals to 2y. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? And then this 2y will get cancelled or not? What is there? Z minus 2w is equal to 0. This 2y will get cancelled.
Both are plus only.
If you send that side, this plus 2y becomes minus 2y na? 2y minus 2y will 0 na? Say equal to both sides same numbers means you can cancel it, no problem. Z equals to minus 2w. Then Z is equal to how much you will get it? 2w. But what we need? W equals to?
Half of Z.
So if you send this 2 here, 1 by 2 into Z equals to W or not? 1 by 2 into Z means what? Half of QPR. So therefore half of angle QPR. Z means what? Z means QPR only na? So 1 by 2 into QPR is equals to W means what?
QTR.
Angle QTR. Hence it is
True.
proved. Are you clear or not?
Yes.
That's all. See, if you not as I am having, to be frankly, previously I solved it there. Otherwise, even because this is geometry, there is no, mandatory rule to remember all the sums. Are you clear or not? So you need to do practice every time as usual. I am telling. Otherwise, if you want to do any other way, you can solve it, no problem. Are you clear?
Yes.
Why I am taking this xy means to get very somewhat little easy. In the place of z, if you write here angle QPR something like that, little bit confusion. Are you clear or not?
Yes.
But here only one thing only we applied. What is the property we applied here?
Extended
Extended angle
angle
property. After applying that, in this substitution, in this only your caliber will come out. Understood? Carry on fast.